What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now on this video we'll be calculating a specific term of this expression that you see there. Man, it looks intimidating, but to be honest with you, it is really straightforward, guys. If it's your first time watching these videos, just know that I've made videos based on this. I think this is gonna be part 8, where we are solving the specific term in an expression. So it might come as challenging to you guys, but at the end of this video, there is a playlist that you can watch that has the videos in sequence so that you can understand what's really happening there. But if it's not the first time and you're returning from the previous videos, remember that you can pause this and try to solve this on your own, and let's see if you're gonna get the same answer that I will get here. But honest with you guys, this is not gonna be difficult. Now, before we start, remember you need to write the formula for this type of problems. The formula that we use to find a specific term for this expression. Now, before we write the formula, let's first analyze this. Look, they gave us this expression here, and they want us to find the ninth term of this expression. Remember, they don't want us to expand, they just want us to find a specific term. Now, the formula, it goes like this: is t, and then we have r plus 1. This is equaling to n factorial divided by r factorial, open bracket, and minus r factorial, and then this is going to be multiplied by x and minus r multiplied by h to the power of r. So this formula here I did explain on video part, I think it's part 5 of this playlist, so you can go and watch it on the icon on top of this video so that you can understand what is happening here, how this formula we managed to get the values of this, and how do we actually use this information to substitute. All right, so let's start equating the values then. So we know that based on this formula on our statement here, we need to equate from this expression. So we know that x is going to be x to the power of 3. H in this case now is negative 3 over x, right? And then we know that n is the exponent, which is in this expression, exponent is 11. Last but not least, r is the previous term relative to the term that we're looking for. So the term that we're looking for here is the ninth term. So the previous term relative to 9 is 8. So that's everything here. I repeat again, guys, if you don't understand, you can watch video part number 5 on this playlist. You can click on the icon on top of this video, guys. That is the video. Okay, so let's start substituting. Now when we substitute here, we will have t, and then r is going to be 8 plus 1, and then this is going to be equaling to, what is our n? Remember, our n is our exponent, so it's going to be 11 factorial divided by, right? Then what is our r? It's going to be 8 factorial, then open bracket, our n is going to be 11 minus 8, right? Because r is 8. Then let's not forget the factorial, and let's multiply by x. But in this case, what is our x? Our x here is going to be x to the power of 3. Now n is going to be 11, and then minus our r, which is 8, multiplied by our h. Our h here is negative 3 over x to the power of r. What is our r? In this case, our r is going to be 8. Okay, from here now, you can substitute this, you can insert all this in your calculator. Let me just highlight it. You can insert all this information here on your calculator and you'll get an answer. Remember guys, if you are seeking for the factorial sign or icon on your calculator, you press shift, then you press the button with x to the power of minus 1. So 8 plus 1 is going to be 9, which is the ninth term. What is it? Is the one that we're looking for them. So when you substitute this or insert this in a calculator, you will get 165. Right, now multiply by this x. Now let's calculate the exponents there. We have 11 minus 8, that will give us 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is the, what is the power there? 3 multiplied by 3. All right, let's just to be sure. What is 3 multiplied by 3? Is it 3 multiplied by, yes, it's gonna give us 9. It's gonna give us 9. Guys, sometimes the simplest things, they become more complex because of the complexity or the chaos in the equation, right? So what is gonna be our answer here inside the bracket? Let me just continue put it inside the bracket. We have negative here, so if we have the exponent which is an even number, whatever the answer is going to be positive, so we are fine there. But then what is 3 to the power of 8? So if you say 3 to the power of 8, you'll be having 6, 5, 6, 1 over 8 to, over x to the power of 8. X to the power of 8. There we go. So this is your workout, or after substituting this on your calculator. So we can continue. And if we say 165 multiplied by 6561, what is it that you're going to get? You're going to get one of the biggest number, but it's not that much. It's going to be 1082565. Right, don't forget this is x to the power of 9 over x to the power of 8. So x to the power of 8, but as you can see, x to the power of 9 divided by x to the power of 8, you're gonna be left with x here. So this, and then it's gonna be left with only x then. So it's gonna be 1082565x. So that is your answer. Look guys, this question, the reason why I did this question is because it can tempt you to actually try to factorize there, because look at our expression there. We have x cubed minus 3 over x. You might try to factorize, but I would say don't do it. It's really not that necessary to get the final answer. Okay, all right guys, if it so happened that you didn't understand this question, you can rewatch it, or you can ask a question on the comment section. And if there's an easier way of doing this, do not forget to comment as well. If you found this video very useful, do not forget to like and also subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to do lots and lots of videos when it comes to maths, so, and other chapters that I haven't touched on, and previous question papers. I'm going to try to do as much as I can with previous question papers. So subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss that. And then on top of that, you can watch the playlist that's going to appear at the end of this video, so that you can understand basically what is happening, because those playlists, I place those videos in a sequence order so that you can understand why are we doing the following and what is happening. Thank you very much guys for watching. Till next time, cheers.